Chào bạn. So let's practice how to pronounce these words, okay? This one, with the hook, you make a smile, you go sữa. Sữa means milk. And this one in the south of Vietnam, we also pronounce the same. Sữa, sữa. But this one means to fix, okay? To repair. So this one we go chua, chua. These two words. Sữa, chua means sour milk, which is we mean yogurt. Sữa, chua. And when you go to the mechanic shop and you see this word, it's nothing about yogurt there. It means to fix or to repair. This one also means to repair. So sữa, chữa, sữa, chữa. Now you guys repeat after me, okay? Sữa, chua,
sữa chua,
sữa, chữa.
sữa chữa.
So now I say a word. Can you comment what did I say? Okay. Sữa chua. Chào bạn. You know how to speak some Vietnamese, but people don't understand you, right? You need to fix your pronunciation. Click in my bio, join my Vietnamese pronunciation course, and start speaking Vietnamese correctly. See you in class.